Hello. Welcome to another market session. Markets are down a little today, and that actually gives us a very good opportunity to look for trading opportunities, especially in the value space. So the position I'm going to be looking at is Facebook. So my Morningstar is working again. Yay. I guess they've resolved their technical issues. I was able to create an account, a free account, and with that I have access to full key ratios data once again. So that's awesome. I'm sure everybody knows what this company is. Facebook, social media platform, the largest, if not one of the largest in the world. It's been around for like almost 20 years. And most people use it. I would say that maybe 99% of the people that I know use or have heard of Facebook. And that's a lot of data right there that they collect. And I think they own other platforms too, such as Instagram and WhatsApp. So let's take a look at the financial data. So not surprisingly, the revenue is huge and increasing by huge amounts every year. Net income as well as earnings also increasing every year. Operating cash flow, really big amounts. Likewise for free cash flow, positive and increasing every year. When we come to their profitability, we look at their net margin, we can see that it is way above 10. And interest coverage is practically nothing because they don't have much debt. I mean, this is really quite negligible. Come over to valuation. It's actually undervalued based on a comparison of price to earnings ratios of the current versus the 5-year average. So we go over to the chart. I drew this line connecting the past 3 lows. You can see that from a very long-term perspective, Facebook is on a very clear uptrend. I believe there's some news over today and yesterday about some certain regulatory issues over data protection and privacy. I think one of the major news is about the iPhone users. Right now it's a bit unclear how this is going to perform. It could still come down a few days, or from here it might turn around and go back up. Nobody knows how the stock market is going to perform. All we can do is, look at the financials. Is it a good company? And then consider whether we are going to take positions or not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter a call option in the first strike in the money, so probably around the 340, at least 1 year to expiration. And I'm going to allocate about maybe less than 10% of my options trading portfolio to this Facebook trade. But I'm not going to put all my 10% into one trade. I'm just going to take it one trade at a time. So this is just a part of that 10% allocation into this particular trade. So if it continues to come down, then I will potentially add more. But today I'm just going to take this based on price movement that has come down and based on this particular trend line that I see, and also based on the financials are pretty sound. So let's come over to our trading platform. Okay, open interest. The numbers look quite interesting. So the strike with the most number of options is actually the 333 strike. So it seems like the market seems to be the most interested in the 330 price. I don't know if that is something to be concerned about, but I'm just going to stick to my plan. And if it does come down to 330, then I will consider opening another trade. But for now, I'm just going to stick to my plan. We come over to the options with more than 365 days to expiration. And so the first strike in the money is the 340 calls, and to buy we click on the ask price, and let's take a look at the profile. This is the performance graph, the payout diagram, the risk profile, whichever you want to call it. So this is what it looks like for a long call option strategy at the expiration date, which is 365 days from today. So this amount here is the premium that I will be paying for this call option. At the expiration date, if Facebook is exactly at the same price, this is the amount that I'll be losing. And my losses are capped. As you can see, this line means that as the price of Facebook decreases, my losses will actually be maximum amount over here. But it's unlikely we will get to this point because we will exit this position before the data decay really kicks in. So as long as Facebook increases in price, I'll be making a profit. This line shows me the payout at expiration, and this line actually shows me the payout as of today, because the option has both intrinsic and extrinsic value. So today when I purchase this, based on the dotted lines, I'll be at a break even. So if I sell it tomorrow, I will not actually lose much if the underlying does not move. If the underlying increases, then this is basically the profit that I'll be making. Okay, so this is the option that I will be purchasing. Just going to set my order to the bid price because always want to buy everything at a discount, and submit my order. I put GTC, which means good till cancelled. There's two kinds of orders. It's either day order or GTC. Day orders will basically close out at the end of the trading day. Okay, we submit. And then we shall see if this order gets filled. Alright. Thank you for watching, and have a great day ahead.